Naruto Sharingan.
Hello anime artists. So today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to draw Kakashi Sharingan. So watch full tutorial. Don't skip it. And also comment down your favorite anime character, I will draw it. So first start with eyebrows. All material I am using is written in description. Now draw eye outline. Now draw a perfect circle for Sharingan. Now draw 3 commas, so it's look like Sharingan. Do some detailing. Outline is done. Now time to do inking process. I am using black pen. You can also use black color pencil or marker for it. First do light erase all over the outline. Now time to do color ring. First dark brown color for shadow effect. Now use skin color. Use gray color for eyebrows. Now color ring Sharingan. First use light pencil color, and then use red marker. Awesome. Sharingan is ready. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for another awesome tutorial.